Hi friends, this is Amlan Devnath, your instructor for today's class. Friends, in the previous video, I had told you that class is a data type. Yes, class is a data type, but there are a lot more we can do with a class. For example, you can organize your code using a class. Few customized functions which you can group together, you can keep in a class that you can refer to later when you require. So that is why today we will be learning class methods. As you have already seen earlier, we have to create an instance of a class to access the variables or methods of the class. But for a class methods, we do not require to create an instance. This is because to use a particular method or a function in a class, we do not require to create instance because we are not storing any variable, right? So let us see how we can do that. Think of a scenario where you have to do few calculations according to your needs. Not addition, subtraction, division or multiplication, but some other a little bit more complex than that, which can be like percentage calculations or simple interest. So let us create those. Class calculations. As this is a class name, you should always capitalize the first word. This is just a general convention. Let us now define the first function. What arguments it will take? A numerator and a denominator. And it will return us the percentage value. Let us create another function, def simple interest. What are the parameters it will take? Principal, rate and time. And it will return us the value of simple interest. So it will be principal time now our class methods are ready. But to make class understand that this is the class method, we have to add a property here. This would be class method. Now let us try to find the value. Print, we have to pass the class name, which is calculations, and we have to call the function in it, percentage, with the values, suppose 5 and 7, where 5 is our numerator and 7 is our denominator. And also let us get the simple interest also. It will take the principal and rate of interest and the time. As you can see, we did not require to create the instances for this one. We can directly call the functions that are present in the class. So in this way, you can group your own methods in a class so that you can organize your code, which you can refer later. Now let us try to create an instance and call the functions. That is also possible. Cal equal to calculations. Cal dot percentage 15 on 25. You can see 15 is 60% of 25. So using this instance also we can access the functions, but that is not required. You can directly call the functions using the class names, as you are not saving the values. According to the input values, you will just return the result. Those input values you do not need to save anywhere. Therefore, without creating any instance, directly you can call using the class name. These are very much useful in case of code reusability. You have to just import the class name and all your functions are ready to be used. More advanced levels of code reusability are done using the help of packages and modules, which I will be discussing with you in the upcoming videos. So your idea on the class methods are clear? If you have any doubt, just comment and ask me anything on these class methods. Thank you. Stay happy. Meet you in the next class.